Happy New Year! Welcome to my channel and to my home. I'm so glad you're here with me today. Can you believe that it is already 2024? I cannot, but here we are. I hope the new year is being good to you so far. We are in my bedroom today and I'm going to be taking down the Christmas decor in this space because it is time. And I'm also going to be sharing with you a few ways, not only that I freshen up my space after the holiday season, but things I do in my bedroom that help me get a better night's rest. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's get to decorating. If you've followed me here or over on Instagram during the holiday season, then you know I unfortunately got pretty sick around Christmas, and one of the dogs actually gave me a scare around the same time because he hurt his back. It was a little rough there for a minute, but I just wanted to let you all know we are both doing so much better. Thank you to everyone who sent me literally the sweetest, kindest messages and comments here. When I opened up the thread that I posted in the community tab on YouTube, I was so touched by all of your kind words. I wasn't able to respond to them as quickly as I would have liked, but I just wanted to let you know they were very much appreciated, and all of the love and prayers and well wishes you sent me over the holidays were definitely felt. Thank you for always being such a kind and wonderful friend here to me on YouTube, and to the pups, it means so much. I'm definitely happy to be back here with you now and healthy, and I'm ready for a good start to January. The new year is officially here, and I know this is the time of year that most of us view as a fresh start, a time when we rethink our goals or maybe even set a few New Year's resolutions. I absolutely love the beginning of the year and the little burst of motivation that a brand new calendar year gives me to focus on new things, or maybe things I've just been putting off due to a busy holiday season. However, during the month of January, I really like to take that pressure off of myself and just take a little bit of time to evaluate what I've got going on and really relax a bit before I jump into any new endeavors or projects that I want to accomplish in the new year. Since rest is a top priority for me this month, I want to start the year off with a fresh bedroom. So I'm taking down the Christmas in here and cleaning up a bit. Then I will share a few things in this video that I consider my bedroom essentials for a good night's sleep. If you have the space for it in your room, it can be really nice to have a designated place to relax in the bedroom outside of the bed itself. This corner by the windows here in my room is the perfect area to keep a couple of chairs for reading or enjoying coffee in the morning or a cup of tea at night.
Okay, you guys, are these chairs puppy approved? In this house, every chair has to be puppy approved. Even guest puppy approved, right? Yeah. Every chair. Yeah, what do we think? Puppy approved reading nook. They merengue approved? Yes. This is gonna be a great place to hang out in the morning, huh? I think we're gonna love it.
Does this dog not look exactly like the dog emoji? Merengue. Merengue has the perfect puppy dog face. He looks just like the puppy dog emoji. And he's so handsome. And we love that he visits us.
Thanks for staying with us, dude.
Oh my gosh. Just so you know, that background noise that you were hearing in the last clip was actually my TV. I always put the TV on QVC when I'm cleaning or decorating. So that's what that is. And I didn't even realize it was on because it's usually on. So sorry about that. But let me know in the comments below, do you watch something special or do you have a go-to network or maybe YouTube that you watch while you're cleaning or decorating? Let me know in the comments below. QVC is definitely mine. While a lot of things factor into a really good night's rest, arguably the most important thing for me getting a consistent good night's sleep is probably the sheets that I'm sleeping on. The quality of the sheets really equate to the quality of sleep that I get. So I don't take buying new sheets lightly. Brooklinen ended up having exactly what I was looking for. I went with their Luxe Sateen duvet and sheet set in the king size. It comes with 4 pillowcases, the sheets, and the duvet cover. Merengue. You're so cute. We've got to make the bed, buddy. These are clean sheets. Come on. Come on, get down. You're a good boy. See, Merengue loves Brooklinen too, huh? Don't you, buddy? Yeah. Apparently, the sheets are Merengue approved, huh? Yeah? Yeah. You gotta get down. We gotta finish this video. Brooklinen is sponsoring this. And we've gotta make the bed because we love these sheets and we've gotta show everybody. I love you. Ah! Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay. Come on. Whoa. Brooklinen was actually nice enough to send this to me to share with you. So thank you to them. I decided to go with the cream. It really is like a winter white with a sheen to it. If you're a white linen person like I am and you want to go with something a little bit different, try the cream. They have tons of colors to choose from and you can mix and match, which is really, really cool. If you want to get like a white sheet set or cream and then a different color duvet or vice versa, or you can get different color shams, it's really, really great. I want to stop filming and crawl in this bed, but don't worry, I'm going to finish the video, okay? I wish you could feel this through the TV. I can't stop touching it. Ever since I put it on the bed, I've just been touching it. But I'm really looking forward to sleeping in this tonight. I'll let you know in the morning how I sleep. That'll be the true test. Do I sleep through the night? Do I get good rest? I will let you know real time in the morning. At the end of this video, I'll come back and share that with you. If you're looking for new sheets, go ahead and try Brooklinen and let me know what you think. I think you will love these. We can get a good night's rest together. Brooklinen was also nice enough to give us a discount code to use, $20 off, $100 or more. So I'll put it on the screen here. I'll put it in the description just in case you are treating yourself to new bedding this year as well. Just wanna take a little nap. Finish the video later, you know what I mean? One of the most important things to do if we want to have a more restful space is reduce the clutter. The best place to start for me is always the nightstands. I know things can easily collect here, but just keeping the essentials on top definitely helps reduce visual distractions and contributes to a more peaceful atmosphere. Over the holidays, I found this great gadget that you see here. It's an alarm clock, a phone charger, a Bluetooth speaker, and a nightlight. So it essentially does the job of 4 different things that I would typically have here on my nightstands. I love that it helps keep this space clutter free, but it is still so functional. I'll have it linked in the description below. I've had it here for about a week now and I have absolutely loved it. Something that can be overlooked but really impactful, in my opinion, is the lighting that you use specifically in your bedroom. I always like to use a very soft, warm light in all of my lamps in the bedroom. It just makes the room so much more cozy and inviting. Here are the exact bulbs that I like to use. They are a 6-watt amber glass candlelight bulb, and I will link them below. They are the best. Having a nice calming scent in our space at the end of the day can really help us unwind. My favorite scent to use in my bedroom and in my bathroom is lavender. You can bring this in with candles or essential oils, whatever you prefer. I actually like to use a pillow spray on my bed. This one from Little Moon is really, really great. I've had it for a long time. Lately though, I have been using my Amazing Grace lavender perfume and just spritzing a little bit on my pajamas before bed, and then like a slight spritz on the duvet, and I love it. Bringing in a calming scent to your space like that is just a little luxury that is so enjoyable. It adds to that restful experience. We all know that curtains in the bedroom are really important, and I know for some, blackout drapes are a must. I actually, though, just prefer a heavy, light-reducing fabric, not a full blackout. I just like a tiny bit of light to peek through in the mornings. So I have my favorite Amazon velvet curtain panels in here in a gray tone. They are perfect if you want to keep the room mostly dark, but still let a little bit of that light in the morning. Good morning. I am here to report on how I slept. Hold on, let me put my coffee down. First night on these sheets, and let me tell you, oh my gosh. I'm not putting my face all the way down because I already put my makeup on today. I seriously had the best night's sleep. There's just something about having like a duvet that matches the sheets that just feels so luxury. I felt like I slept in a really nice hotel bed. You know what I mean? I slept all through the night, so soft. These pillowcases are amazing. It is going to be very hard to get out of this bed and be productive today, but I'm gonna do it. Thank you for hanging out with me today as I freshened up my room for the new year. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you again very soon in the next one. Until I do, take care and happy decorating.